So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in RTSS. And you should now be seeing RivaTuner Statistics Server. You want to click on it and then click on yes. If it doesn't launch, then in the bottom right of your taskbar, you want to click on the arrow. You want to find RTSS, click on it. It should then launch right here. And now once we're here, you want to click on add right here. You want to add your game.exe file. So just go through your folders until you find your game. You want to add the .exe file of your game, the executable. Double click on it, which will then make it appear right here. And you want to select it. Make sure you have show on screen display turned on and make the application detection level on high. Once you do all of this, it should then be working for you. You can also open up MSI Afterburner. Once we're here, click on settings and then go to on-screen display. Make sure you have your correct toggle on-screen display button right here. Then you want to click on OK. Then it should be working for you.